Have you recently installed PowerToys in your Windows 11 and want to know how to install it? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to use it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you have installed PowerToys on Windows 11, you might be looking for ways to use it to improve productivity. Therefore, in this video, we present to you some of the best features of PowerToys and how to use them. PowerToys Run. PowerToys Run is an advanced application launcher and search utility that goes far beyond the standard Windows search. It is useful because it allows you to instantly find and open applications, files, folders, and even perform quick calculations or search running processes using a simple keyboard shortcut, centralizing access to nearly everything on your PC into one responsive interface. To enable and use it, open PowerToys application. On the home page, you will see General Options. Click on it. Now look for PowerToys Run and toggle on it. Press the default keyboard shortcut Alt plus space bar to open the search bar from anywhere in Windows. Start typing the name of an app, file, or a query, like for files or for calculations. Use the arrow keys to navigate the result and press enter to launch your selection. That is how you can enable and use PowerToys Run. 2. Color Picker. Color Picker is designed for system-wide color detection, allowing you to identify and copy the exact color value of any pixel displayed on your screen. It is especially useful for designers, developers, and content creators who need to match colors precisely for their projects. Using this tool eliminates guesswork and saves time compared to manual methods. To enable Color Picker, open PowerToys settings and enable the Color Picker module. To use it, press the default shortcut Win plus Shift plus C to activate the picker. Your cursor will change to a crosshair. Hover over the color you wish to capture and click to select it. The color value is automatically copied to your clipboard and an editor opens to fine-tune or review your history of picked. 3. Always on top. The Always on top utility lets you pin any application window so it stays visible above all other windows. It's useful for multitasking scenarios where you need to constantly reference information from one window while working in another, such as following a tutorial, comparing documents, or monitoring a chat or dashboard. You can enable the Always on Top module from the PowerToys settings homepage. To pin a window, first click on the one you want to keep in place and then press the default shortcut Win plus Ctrl plus T. A customizable colored border will appear around the window, confirming that it has been pinned. If you want to unpin it, simply press Win plus Ctrl plus T again or close the window, and the border will disappear, returning the window to its normal state again, or simply close the window. If you are confused by the plethora of shortcuts available in PowerToys, we recommend you use the Windows key shortcut guide in PowerToys. 4. Awake. Awake allows you to temporarily keep your computer awake and prevent it from sleeping or turning off the display without changing your system-wide power settings. This is useful during long downloads, software installations, presentations, or any extended task where you don't want the screen to dim or the system to lock. Usually, Awake is enabled by default, but check PowerToys settings to make sure that the module is enabled. Look for the Awake icon, a coffee cup in your system tray, or the taskbar. Click the icon to choose a mode. Keep awake indefinitely, keep awake temporarily, for a set duration, or keep screen on. The selected mode will remain active until the timer expires or you switch it back to your normal power plan. 5. Keyboard Manager. Keyboard Manager gives you advanced control by allowing you to remap any key to another key or even to a complex shortcut. This is useful for creating a more ergonomic layout, repairing a faulty key, disabling keys for you to frequently press by mistake, or crafting custom shortcuts tailored to your specific workflow. To remap keys using PowerToys, start by turning on the Keyboard Manager module in PowerToys settings. Once enabled, you can choose Remap a key if you want to change a single key, or Remap a shortcut for more complex combinations. Click the Add Key Remapping button or the equivalent options for shortcuts, and in the dialog that appears, select the physical key you want to press, such as Caps Lock, and then assign it to the desired mapped to action, like Escape or Custom Shortcut. Finally, click OK to save your changes, and your new key mapping will take effect immediately. 6. Other handy tools. PowerToys also includes several other useful tools. The host's file editor allows you to modify the host file, while File Locksmith helps unlock files that are in use. You will find a Markdown and SVG preview pane extension for quick file previews, along with handy utilities like Image Resizer and Windows Walker for managing windows more efficiently. For mouse-related features, PowerToys offers Find My Mouse and the Mouse Highlighter. In addition, you can take advantage of tools such as Text Extractor, Screen Ruler, and Quick Accent to boost productivity and streamline everyday tasks. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.